What's up guys, welcome to my channel. We'll be unboxing the Hush 1 Pro travel guitar today and we'll see what comes in the package. It's acoustic electric travel guitar and we'll see how this baby performs. Opening it up for the first time and I haven't even seen how it looks. Very clear packaging, protected strings, it's a real beauty. And this model you have still not seen. It's the new Hawaiian blue. It's just gorgeous by itself, very compact. And let's see what else comes in the package. There's a second compartment. We got here the metal elements that hook on to the guitar. Let's see how hard that is or how easy that is. So we fit this in the home. It's a nice little click. And let's see the second part. Also nice little click. Okay, I like this. I gotta tune it in. For tuning the guitar, we just turn it on the power button, and we got this little button here. Rotate through different effects and settings. We go all the way to the end where we get the tuner. And now, to actually tune the guitar, we use the little Allen key. So we plug it in here, and as you can see, it's blinking. And I'll speed up this part of the video. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take the cable out and we're gonna plug it in directly into my sound card and we're gonna test. Now we can see on the light how actually pretty it is. And you see the tuning pegs, they are now on the back. Let's record something on this beauty. We can try different effects. The neck is super nice. Flanger, Ottawa. And let's change some effect. Let's try to see how it sounds if we put some nice delay. Put a nice little reverb on it, so let's hear. This is the room setting. Nice thing about it is that once you select some function, it will stay on next time you turn it on, off and on. And for this one, I'm just gonna add some little reverb. Let's push it. Oh, that's nice and wide. Oh, we gotta add this. Okay, that was fun for a bit, and let's try something else. That was all made on this cute little guitar. So let me know what you think of it. I am excited because this is their new series. They have a few different new colors and they did some few upgrades, but it is a beautiful travel guitar. It almost fits in the pocket. It has nice little case. So if you want to travel and go with your guitar, this is your best option, in my opinion. That's it. Until next time, keep on rocking.